Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Today we are in Hollywood and we're going to see something that changed our life. Stick around. So here we are at the Petersen Automotive Museum. About 3 years ago, I built a motorcycle and donated it to a local nonprofit. That motorcycle went to Barber Museum, which now has it on loan to this museum. I've never seen my motorcycle on display. So we're gonna go check out this museum, see if we can find my motorcycle and check it out. Stick around. Folks, so there you have it, the 1952 Triumph Speed Twin. Cool bike. Cool to see it at the Petersen on display. If you're ever in the Hollywood area, make sure you come by, check out the bike. It was an honor to do this bike for these people. So in July of 1983, David Mann did a painting, and in that painting were two motorcycles. That Triumph you just seen in the last part, and a Sportster that you can actually win. We finished that bike up for an autism charity in the 5 Dirty Bikers. Make sure you go check them out at www.5dirtybikers.com. But in that painting was also this place, Tell of the Pup, the hot dog stand right in Los Angeles, enjoying a hot dog before we hit the road back to Tampa, loving our time right here in California. With that, guys, I'm gonna eat this hot dog and we're gonna wrap this video up. So thank you guys for hanging out. If you are new around here, jump down, hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on and let everyone know what's going on right here at Weems Motor Co. Peace.